Today I'm going to teach you how to take your Midjourney photos and animate them. So, first of all, you want to get a portrait. It has to be one where they're kind of facing forwards. I tried these monsters, they don't work. It kind of has to be like a human looking portrait. So, to do that, just do /imagine and then do your prompt, and then do whatever style you want. You could do a realistic style portrait of a chef. Now, you probably want one that's facing the front. That's ideal. I'm not sure how it works on the side. So, once you've generated yourself a picture like this from the front, you're going to want to go over. You want to upscale it, all of that. You want to click on it, right click, and save the image. Now, you want to come up to this software here. This is called DID. So, you want to click create video on the left, and then here it's going to give you the option to add your own presenter. Now you can click add here, and I tried this monster, it didn't work, so try this. You can add this face here and let it load in, and this is where you're going to be able to edit it from. So on the right you can upload either a voice audio if you want your own voice to be into it, or you can type script. So I'm going to put hello, thank you for watching this YouTube video. Bloody hell. Okay, now down here you can pick the language. You can do UK, you can do USA, you can, if you want to write in French, you can pick France. Anyway, then you can go down to the voices. There's tons of voices, male, female. Pick what you want. Just do Tony. Now here you can do the style, so you can make him angry, cheerful, excited. There's a huge variety. I'm going to put unfriendly because he looks unfriendly. Now you want to go up to top and put generate video. And this will use 1 credit. So when you start your free account, you will be given 20 credits. So you can basically fiddle around with this for free with 20 credits. And you can see it's already made the video here. So now I'm going to click on it. Click play.
Hello, thank you for watching this YouTube video.
And there you go, you can see it's done it. Now from here, what you can do is you can click download, and that's going to download it to your desktop. Now, you could try it with a more realistic image like this and just see what it does, but just have a fiddle around with it, and that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.